Nakikitang siyempre iba-ibang lahi.
We have a lot of guests here and we can see some of our friends who are not Filipinos, and so we just want to welcome you guys. We'll try to speak in English for you to understand and comprehend what we're doing here and what we're saying, okay?
Yeah.
Because my friend here is kind of stupid and you know, she doesn't know how to speak properly.
Hoy, are you fabricating such thing?
What?
Are you fabricating?
Ano? Oh.
Are you
Ano?
Fuck you.
Yung mga bata.
Sorry. We are very much apologetic.
Wow! Wait. Wait.
Oh.
So it means you can speak English?
Of course. Are you questioning my English vocabulary?
No! I'm not questioning your English vocabulary because I know that you didn't finish your studies.
No, because
me, I'm a proud graduate of, you know, Cambridge University.
Oh.
And you?
GSIS.
Tanga, di ba? Eskwelahan bang GSIS? Sangay ng gobyerno yon.
O tanga bobo kasi di ka nag-aaral doon.
GSIS,
Pamayaman yun.
Hoy!
Hoy! Hoy ka rin, hoy! Sa GSIS, social lang school namin.
Paano naging social?
Makakapasok ka lang sa GSIS
Oh.
through DNA.
Walang ID?
Walang ID.
Paano yun?
May machine sa labas.
Oh, tapos?
Pagpasok mo, hihinga ka lang. Pag makaho, absent ka.
So, paano ka?
Ha? Drop off.
Sobrang baho. Hindi kasi eskwelahan ng GSIS.
Hoy! School namin yan.
Sakay ng gobyerno yung
Eskwelahan namin yan.
Huwag mo ipilit yung gusto mo.
Ipipilit ko talaga dahil school namin yan. Shut the...
Okay. Sige, sabihin mo. Continue.
Shut up.
Okay.
You moron.
Wow. You imbecile. Hindi niya na, wala nang naisip.
Okay. School namin yung GSIS.
Hindi yan
And
eskwelahan.
I'm proud graduate.
Hindi yan eskwelahan. Sakay ng gobyerno yan.
Tama, school namin yan. And I'm proud graduate.
Anong graduate?
Ganun yung tamang pronunciation.
Anong graduate?
Tama. Pangit kapag pronounce mo. Pronounce mo.
Graduate.
Mali, it's sociologs. Dapat ang pronounce, hey, graduate.
Paano?
Hey, graduate. Hey. Are you a graduate? Can I see your certificate? Oh, this is your certificate? And you are a graduate? Congratulate!
Pauso ka lang mga ninasabi mo.
Don't you ever underestimation.
Ano? Estimation?
Because I'm graduation, my education.
Know your vocabulary, bitch.
Oh, I'm not a bitch.
And you are?
A resort.
Ayaw mo ng beach? Gusto mo resort? Mas malaki. Buang Bisay. Yawa.
Hoy! I'm a part graduate of the Dadala.
Ano yung GSIS?
GSIS!
Oh, paano naging eskwelahan niyan?
School namin yan.
Paano nga?
General Santos Elementary School. Last week kasi Pacquiao, now you know. Ting. Dumani, ikaw na tanga, demonyo ka.
May mga Bisaya dito ngayon.
Oo. Ting, kung magpadala ka na Pinas yung special sa mga arena sa Progreso, pira padala, barato, paspas, wala eh, hassle.